IO Cebu 2024!
To be part of the team hosting Google I/O again and all of the other flagship events of GDG. And I hope that everyone will have fun today. I hope that you all learn. We have both local and international speakers. So I hope that learning tech can be fun for all of us. Hope you guys enjoy.
Consider AI is your best friend. So the more it learns, the more product, the more information you give to it, the more it understands about your business, about your apps, about your services.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Google I/O Extended Cebu 2024. Thank you so much for showing support, and we're so grateful for supporting the local tech scene here in Cebu. Enjoy!
Basically, LangGraph has three core components: a node, a conditional edge, and